Welcome to this tutorial on how to subtract fractions with like denominators, or when the denominators are the same. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to subtract both proper and improper fractions. Sometimes we may need to simplify our answers, so check out our video, How to Simplify Fractions, for a refresher. To start, let's write down the fractions we want to subtract. Before we use real numbers, we'll use some placeholder fractions, a over b and c over d. If the denominators are the same, or if b equals d, you subtract the top numbers, a minus c, and put the result over the common denominator, b or d. Then, simplify the answer after subtracting the fractions if needed. Now, let's do some examples. We'll follow this equation to find the difference of two fractions. For our first example, let's subtract the fractions 7/8 minus 3/8. To subtract these fractions, subtract the top numbers and put the result over the common denominator. 7 minus 3 is 4, and that goes over 8, so our result is 4/8. This fraction can be reduced, so let's simplify it. The greatest common factor of 4 and 8 is 4, so divide both the numerator and denominator by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2, so our simplified answer is 1/2. Next, let's subtract the fractions 21/5 minus 4/5. Again, subtract the top numbers and put the result over the common denominator. 21 minus 4 is 17, and that goes above the like denominator of 5 to get 17/5. This fraction can be changed to a mixed number by dividing the numerator by the denominator using long division with remainders. 17 divided by 5 is 3 remainder 2. So 3 is the new whole number result, and 2 goes over the common denominator 5 to get our final answer of 3 2/5. Now that you understand how to subtract fractions with like denominators, let's head over to CalculatorSoup.com's fractions calculator to keep subtracting. The adding and subtracting fractions calculator will add or subtract two or more fractions together and show you step by step how to get the answer. Choose from the drop-down above to change the number of fractions you want to subtract. Let's do one more example. 15/11 minus 5/11. Press the Calculate button to view the steps to get the answer below. 15 minus 5 is 10, and that goes above the like denominator of 11 to get 10/11. This fraction cannot be reduced, so our final answer is 10/11. Now you know how to subtract fractions with like denominators. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials from Calculator Soup.